guys, it's Trevor, and today we will be playing with Biology in a Box, Unit 6, Exercise 4, Diagram those traits. Now that you are familiar with some animal traits, you can construct a Venn diagram to demonstrate pictorially the relationships among traits. A Venn diagram looks like a rectangle with some circular regions inside. The circular regions represent items or sets belonging to the total amount of items. The region of overlap in the diagram represents animals with both bilateral symmetry and a hydrostatic skeleton. Which of the following animals belong in the region of overlap in the Venn diagram? A. Hydra, B. Roundworm, or C. Insect? Question number 2. Which of the following animals belongs in the non-overlapping blue region only? A. Hydra, B. Roundworm, or C. Insect? Draw a Venn diagram with regions to represent animals with these following traits: jointed legs, radial symmetry, nervous system, and tissue. Use the diagram which you just created to decide which member of the pairs below has the most animals, or else state that this cannot be determined by looking at the diagram. Now pick some traits that interest you and construct a Venn diagram to show how the traits are related. For a Super Solver challenge, come up with a Venn diagram that represents all 9 phyla. This is Trevor from Biology in a Box saying, bye everybody, see you next time!